Hey, Joe Brown Tool Guy. Let's take a look at the Fiskars 6201 18-inch StaySharp Max push reel lawnmower. Everything you need comes in the box. Some assembly is required, primarily assembling the handle. Best to lay all the pieces out before you start the assembly process. The mowing unit is assembled. The handle is held together with 4 bolts. The StaySharp Max is 60% easier to push than other reel mowers. Cuts all types of grasses. You also need to install the height adjustment knob. This allows you to adjust the height of the mower, the mowing height. When you get the handle finished and assembled, the ends of the handles should point down. Slides over 2 pegs, one on each side, and it's held onto the mower with 2 cotter pins. This mower is very easy to push, very smooth. When mowing, it throws the grass clippings forward. You can also purchase a bag attachment if you'd like the bag along. The bagger is very easy to remove. This mower requires no fossil fuels, no gas, oil. Very green. Very nice mower. Great product from Fiskars.